I am contemplating my life decisions of drinking a venti iced white mocha when it's 10 o'clock at night and I have work tomorrow morning. Who said I make the best decisions? It's Ipsy time, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. Let's unbag July 2018's Ipsy bag and let's just jump right into it. Mine has the tape treatment because I believe it's because I cashed in one of my things. Yes. I cashed in for the Vanilla Grapefruit Herbivia Lip Balm. If you're like, Meg, why did you cash in for something so boring? I am obsessed with grapefruit and my points were going. Some of my points were going to expire. Doesn't smell very vanilla or grapefruity, so disappointed. I'll try it, and for me, especially, you can never have too many lip balms. I lose them, use them, break them, leave them. I need them at all times because, like I said, for everybody that watches my channel, what do I have? Extremely dry skin, extremely dry lips. Thank you. So it feels like we got something in the bag. So in the bag, first of all, this is like a very interesting bag. Not gonna say this is my favorite bag. It's a little like 80s leggings pleather pants, but inside the bag I have two Cayenne Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Masks, and I am starting to get, I am not gonna lie, I am not a big sheet mask person. They feel weird on me, they kind of gross me out a little bit. I don't really like the sensation of them and the feeling of them like dripping down my face when I'm sitting. Kind of weirds me out, but I need to start using them because I'm starting to accumulate quite the subscription box collection of sheet masks. So we got a sheet mask. This feels really light. So hopefully Ipsy's got something better for me. But what is even the theme of this month? It is July 2018 Ipsy. Ready to dive into summer? Oh, it's a pool ready makeup bag. So I should be ready. I don't know how I jump into a pool with a sheet mask on, but according to Ipsy, I should. Wow. Wow. Did I just get a full-size Smashbox product in an Ipsy bag? Let's be honest, this is because Smashbox is discontinuing this? So this is the, and first of all, bravo Ipsy. Well, of course right now you can see my goddamn tan because, you know, it is the summertime and I'm wearing a fall color because I'm a psycho. Fall colors are like my palette of choice. They got me down to a T with the porcelain ivory color. This is in fair. I'm a very fair person. This is pretty tan for me right now, but that's because I was out the mountains in the sun swimming, and then yesterday I was gardening, so I got I can't even show you it. I got a sexy burn on my back, okay? Oh, this is a concealer, and it looks like it's a full-size product. Like, I am so happy right now, Ipsy. So this will definitely work. I can't wait to try this. I am in the market for another concealer, so Ipsy read my mind. The next thing we have, it looks like an eyeshadow, and it is by the brand Ipsy, not Itsy or Ipsy, but Ipsy. And it is in the color Changing to Flats. It almost looks like a purpley brown. Come out wherever you are. Ooh, so it looks like this. It's like a purpley brown color, and it's a matte color. Seems decently, it's pretty purple though. Oh, not loving these swatches though. Those swatches, I mean, they could perform differently on the eye, but so far with them on my hand, I am disappointed! So I will pop this into my loose shadow palette when I get a chance, but I'm gonna be really honest with you, I am not a huge matte purple fan. I feel like browns that pull purple tend to make my eye looks look a little too cool. Not that I don't like cool tone eye looks, I do, but when I'm going for like, sometimes they are deceiving and you think it's a brown and then it pulls purple, and these pull pretty purple. Not good swatches. The next thing we have in our bag is by Mellow. Oh my god, Ipsy, if you send me one more of these god darn Mellow matte lipsticks. This is my third one, literally from Ipsy, okay? I have gotten previously the shade in Nude. I have gotten the shade in Posh, and now it looks like Ipsy was like throwing me for a summer whirlwind here, and they have sent me the shade Candy Floss. Holy shit, that is a bright color. And I don't know why I'm thinking candy paint with the white on top. Got Post Malone in the head with this. I'm not the biggest fan of these Mellow Lipstick formulas, but to each different formula depending on the shade. And this is quite a shade. Holy moly. It is like Barbie pink. All right, let's just like, holy moly. That is a bright, but it feels really creamy. I will give it that. It feels way creamier than the other ones I have, but it is like in a cotton candy Barbie pink, which I guess would be, you know what? If you wear like blues and light blues at like a pool, I definitely see what they're going for with this. The only problem is I don't find myself at a pool very often. I'm usually like jumping into a river or a creek, sometimes an ocean. Not really a pool. Actually, my best friend is moving into an apartment with a pool, so maybe I will be able to utilize this. But a pool? Not often, okay? I'm lame. Last but not least in our bag, we have another Wander Beauty product. Apparently Wander Beauty we got another Wander Beauty product in our BoxyCharm. Apparently they are handing stuff out, but this is a glotion. A lotion. That's probably my assistant from work right now. I got her into the staircase, and like we're like really into like serial killers and documentaries and podcasts about serial killers. It's disturbing, but I know she's texting me about it, so I kind of can't wait to answer her. I'm making her watch it. So it doesn't, oh, sorry. Sorry, dude. It like a lot just bubbled out. So this is the Wander Beauty Glotion, 5 milliliters. It just all bubbled out at once. A skincare and hydrating lotion that delivers a beautiful sheer champagne gold finish. I do not have my phone in front of me, so I can't look up the price difference, but I love the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminous Base Tint, and it's looking very similar. Oh, you know what? They're a different color, but they are going for the same thing. The Wander Beauty is like a champagne color, and the Wet n Wild Beauty is like a light color, but I think they're going for the same vibe. Actually, this champagne one might be a little too dark for me. It's a glotion, which is kind of like what the Wet n Wild one is. So if you want a glowy lotion or glowy base, try the Wet n Wild one, because I'm sure the Wander Beauty one is way more expensive, and this is $4.99. But then mixed together is pretty sexy, am I right? Am I right? So that was my Ipsy bag, guys. I am super excited about the full-size Smashbox product. I think that's pretty fabulous. This is not like, I mean, I do like crazy colored stuff. This is like really crazy colored, but I definitely see the vibe they're going for with the pool. Like, it would really look cute. More so, that color lipstick to me looks cute on like a medium to like a little bit deeper tan, like a Latino or like olive woman living in Greece or something like that. Wearing that with like a really cobalt blue bathing suit, I can just see it. Like a girl, like this girl, this like pretty African-American girl in here, like I could see that being real cute on her, like next to a pool with like even a bathing suit that color. Definitely get the vibe. Don't know if my really pale ass would look cute with that vibe, but thanks for trying, Ipsy. Thanks for trying. The Wander Beauty Glotion, definitely try it. I'm pretty sure it all just bubbled out. Whoops. Little bit disappointed in the eyeshadow. Single eyeshadows are not my huge forte. I will use them if they're great, especially on my kit for brides, but this one's looking not to be that promising, but I haven't tried it, so I can't give you the whole, like, it sucks yet, you know? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my Ipsy Unbagging. I hope you have a fabulous week. I hope work goes well. I hope you're not in school. I hope if you are going to school, things are going great. Have a great one, guys. Bye.